Saffron is a highly prized spice that is known for its unique flavor, aroma, and vibrant color. It is obtained from the stigma of the Crocus sativus flower, which is native to the Mediterranean region and is now cultivated in many parts of the world. In this video, we will take a closer look at the life cycle of saffron and how it goes from being a simple flower to a highly valued spice. Hi friends! Welcome back to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new updates. Planting. The planting of saffron begins in the fall, usually in October or November. The Crocus sativus bulbs are planted in well-drained soil, and the field is irrigated regularly to ensure that the bulbs receive the moisture they need to germinate. Germination. The bulbs of the Crocus sativus flower will germinate within a few weeks of planting. The leaves of the plant will start to grow, and the plant will begin to develop the necessary components for the production of the saffron spice. Flowering. In the late autumn or early winter, the Crocus sativus plant will start to produce flowers. Each flower will have 3 bright red stigmas, which are part of the flower that will be harvested and used to make saffron spice. Harvesting. The harvesting of saffron is a delicate process that requires a lot of care and attention. The flowers must be harvested early in the morning when they are still closed, as this is when the stigmas are most plump and moist. The stigmas are carefully removed from the flower by hand and then dried. Drying. Once the stigmas have been removed from the flowers, they are dried either in the sun or in a controlled environment. This process can take up to 2 weeks, and it is important to ensure that the stigmas are not exposed to moisture during this time. Packaging. Once the stigmas have been dried, they are packaged and sent to market. Saffron is a highly valued spice and is sold in small quantities due to its high price. It is often used in a variety of dishes, including rice dishes, stews, and desserts. In conclusion, saffron is a highly prized spice that is produced from the stigma of the Crocus sativus flower. The life cycle of saffron involves planting the bulbs in the fall, germinating the bulbs, flowering, harvesting the stigmas, drying the stigmas, and packaging the final product for sale. The process of producing saffron is a delicate one that requires a lot of care and attention, but the result is a spice that is highly valued for its unique flavor, aroma, and vibrant color. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture.